Hello students, in this video let us learn the concept of factor. So if I ask you the question, what are the factors of 6? So let's say my question to you is, what are the factors of 6? So if I divide 6 by 1, so my remainder is 0, so 1 is a factor of 6. Similarly, if I divide 6 by 2, again my remainder is 0 because 2 into 3 is 6, so 2 is a factor of 6. Similarly, 3 is a factor of 6. I think you are getting my point. And 6 is a factor of 6, isn't it? If I ask you what are the factors of 12, what are the factors of 12? 1, then 2, 2 into 6 is 12, 3 into 4 is 12, 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 into 1 is 12. So these are the factors of 12. So try to understand this point. 8 is not a factor of 12, because if you divide 12 by 8, my remainder is not 0. Then this is a concept of factor. So now if I try to apply this concept in terms of polynomials, if I divide this polynomial p by another polynomial, let's say q, and after division if I get remainder 0, then what I can say, q is a factor of p. But my remainder, if it is not 0, then what I'll say, q is not a factor of p. I hope you're getting my point. Okay, let us try to understand this by taking an example. So let's say I'm dividing polynomial x square minus twice x plus 1 by x minus 1. So I shall do long division. I have already explained long division in a previous video. So x square by x, so x times, now x into x minus 1, if I do, I'll get x square minus x. So I'll come over here, x times x square minus x, cancelled, minus will become plus, so this will be minus x plus 1. So now minus x by x, that is minus 1 time, minus 1 into x minus 1 is minus x plus 1. So I'll come over here, I'll give minus 1 time, minus x plus 1. So this is plus, so cancelled, what is my remainder? 0. So since my remainder is 0, x minus 1 is a factor of x square minus twice x plus 1. So whether a polynomial is a factor of another polynomial, it all depends on the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it is a factor. If the remainder is not a 0, then it is not a factor. Okay, so in the next video we shall be dealing with some more complicated questions based on this particular concept.